Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Leather Wipes is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning solutions for leather furniture, promising a simple way to maintain that luxurious look and feel. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one that effectively cleans, conditions, and protects your investment without damaging the delicate leather? Today, we're diving deep into the world of leather wipes, reviewing some of the top contenders to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Chemical Guys SPI_109_16 Leather Kit. This kit is your solution for keeping leather looking its best. It's a two-part system that cleans and conditions, leaving your leather soft and supple. The pH-balanced cleaner in this kit penetrates deep to lift away dirt, oils, and stains. It's tough on grime, but gentle on your leather. The conditioner, enriched with vitamin E, nourishes and restores flexibility. It helps prevent drying, cracking, and fading, keeping your leather looking great for years to come. From car interiors and furniture to shoes and jackets, this kit is versatile enough to care for all your leather items. Keep everything looking and feeling its best. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. You'll love the luxurious look and feel it leaves behind. With this kit, you're investing in quality leather care. It's the perfect 1-2 punch for keeping your leather looking its best for years to come. What we like. This kit is a power couple for your leather care needs. It deeply cleans and conditions with vitamin E to keep your leather supple and fresh. If you're looking for a complete solution to keep your leather goods looking their best for years to come, this is the one for you. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The cleaning spray works great and removes a lot of dirt and grime. The conditioner leaves my leather looking well nourished and isn't too tacky. Also, the conditioner has a pleasant ozone smell, which is a nice touch. After just using the cleaner, all of that came out and I could run my hand across it without it sticking to it, chattering across it, etc., and the leather felt much smoother. The conditioner just amplifies that difference. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Number 4. Weiman Leather Wipes. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. These wipes gently clean and condition your leather, leaving it soft and supple. Simply wipe to clean, condition, and protect your leather. It's that easy. From furniture to shoes and car interiors, it's perfect for all your leather goods. It contains UVX-15 sunscreen, shielding your leather from sun damage, fading, and cracking. Keep your car's leather seats looking their best. They'll be clean, protected, and restored. With 30 wipes, you have everything you need to keep your leather looking its best. Get yours today. What we like. These wipes are incredibly convenient and easy to use. They offer UV protection to prevent fading and cracking. If you value convenience and want to protect your leather from sun damage, these wipes are perfect for you. Number 3. Weiman Leather Care Kit. Is your leather looking dull and worn? This kit gently cleans and conditions, bringing back its natural shine and suppleness. It's so simple to use. Just apply and wipe, and watch it revitalize your leather surfaces. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a conditioner and protector. It strengthens and moisturizes, preventing future damage. It includes UVX-15 sunscreen to shield your leather from the sun's harmful rays, preventing fading and cracking. Use it on everything from furniture and car seats to shoes and handbags. It works wonders on all types of leather, faux leather, and vinyl. Say goodbye to dirt and grime, and hello to beautifully restored leather. It's the perfect solution for all your leather care needs. What we like. This kit offers a simple solution for maintaining your leather goods. Its multi-action formula cleans, conditions, and protects with UV protection. If you need a simple, effective way to keep your leather looking great, this is a great choice. What people say. Have already used the cleaner conditioner spray on a recliner and love seat, plus assorted leather belts and pouches with great results. Easy to use and leaves the leer looking new again. Easy to use and works great. Really restores and conditions well without that greasy feeling residue some cleaners leave behind. Have used the cleaner numerous times now, really works great on our leather furniture. Clean and conditions well. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Care Kit. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal after rigorous testing. It's a testament to its quality and effectiveness in leather care. You'll receive two 17-ounce bottles, one cleaner and one conditioning cream, plus a sponge and a cloth. Everything you need for a complete leather care treatment. This cleaner tackles stubborn dirt and grime effectively and safely. It removes stains and debris without harsh chemicals, leaving your leather looking its best. The conditioning cream nourishes, protects, and restores that luxurious leather scent. It also adds a protective barrier against liquids and oils. Simply apply the cleaner with a cloth or sponge, working it in circular motions. Then, use the cream to condition and protect. It's that simple. We're confident you'll love the results. But if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. We stand behind our product. What we like. This kit has earned the Good Housekeeping seal, a testament to its quality. It includes both a cleaner and a protective cream that repels liquids. If you want a premium leather care kit with a guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. As you can see in the picture, the left side of the seat has been cleaned with Furniture Clinic. I spent just a few minutes completing this test, and I now understand the great comments about these products. I went back over the seats and now have ivory seats that look as good as new. I like that there is no strong odor since respiratory condition makes me sensitive to strong odors. I did a test first and detected no color changes in the leather and applied the cleaning application. Goes on smoothly and does not require any hard rubbing since the cleaning solution is not pasty. The furniture protector is a cream and also goes on easily and does not leave a residue. The cleaner just smells like ammonia and it foams up on the soft sponge provided. I put on 2 coats of the conditioner and I will reapply every 6 months as the instructions state. I got 2 large love seats with removable cushions, and another small couch and small recliner and desk chair. Plenty left over. Number 1. Weiman Leather Cleaner Wipes. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. These wipes gently clean and condition your leather, leaving it soft and supple. It's the perfect way to restore your favorite leather goods. Cleaning, conditioning, and protecting your leather has never been easier. Just one wipe does it all, saving you time and effort. From furniture to shoes, these wipes work wonders on all your leather items. Keep your leather looking its best with regular use. They contain UVX-15 sunscreen to protect your leather from sun damage. This helps prevent fading and cracking, keeping your leather looking newer for longer. Keep your car's interior looking pristine. These wipes are perfect for cleaning and protecting leather seats in your car, truck, or motorcycle. With Weiman Leather Cleaner Wipes, you get a complete leather care solution in one convenient package. It's the ultimate way to keep your leather looking its best. What we like. These wipes are designed for a quick and easy clean. They offer UV protection to prevent fading and cracking. If you need a simple, effective way to clean and protect your leather on the go, these wipes are perfect. What people say. Cleans and protects leather materials. Very easy to use. Whoever invented these should be thanked, for he made a real contribution, something that quickly wipes leather goods, but more often offer a hasty swipe over dusty leather shoes, that then look great, without having to produce a whole toolbox to polish them. These are so reliable and are vital to the cleanliness and health of my leather furniture. I like to use them on a regular basis because I notice a difference with my older leather furniture. They smell nice and leave the leather supple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.